It's been a crazy week on the road, a bit more crazy than normal. This week I must have had about, it feels like about 10 people try to overtake me in some strange places. Here's just 3 examples of qualified drivers overtaking in what I would class as possibly dangerous positions. But it's interesting for you as a learner driver, because you're going to see this and you're going to experience it on your driving lessons, and you're definitely going to experience this sort of stuff after you pass your driving test. So have a good look at the 3 examples, put comments below, it'll be interesting what you think about them. So here's the first of 3 examples. We're on a 40-mile-an-hour road, just coming off a roundabout, and the speed limit's going up to the national speed limit in the distance. So we're doing a good speed. I'm talking about my student here about looking ahead, looking what's going on. I've noticed the car behind me is getting quite close. We're starting to build our speed up at this point. The car behind us is overtaking, but there's a car coming towards us, so I'm asking my student to slow down, which in the end I put the brake on a bit to slow the car down because it was dangerous. And it was even going to solid white line at the same time. If you're going to overtake on a country road, make sure you've got a nice long straight bit, make sure you've got the power to overtake someone, and make sure there's no one coming towards you at the same time. My student was questioning afterwards what was the problem there, and I said, well, you just need to be aware of cars behind you overtaking in silly places, and if they are overtaking, it's dangerous. Slow yourself down, let the problem get out of the way, avoid the accidents.
It's a shame really, because she's impatient. Follow the road ahead.
So this second example is we're on a single track road heading towards a roundabout in slow moving traffic. We've been sat in this traffic for about 5 minutes at this point, and it's just starting to move slowly. We're not going fast, probably about 5 miles an hour, maybe 10 maximum, and the roundabout looks quite busy in the distance. There's 3 lanes on the approach to the roundabout. As we get to the entrance, the left lane goes left, the middle lane goes ahead, and the right lane goes right. And you can see the black car behind me keeping the distance, and we're still just doing a safe speed. They're just moving forward. We're starting to put our foot down now because the roundabout looks a little bit clear. The black car on the left approaches in the left lane and actually cuts across us, and I have to brake a little bit at the same time. So it's just bad driving. I mean, they shouldn't be going ahead in that lane, and they definitely shouldn't be cutting across into the middle lane. Otherwise you're going to hit them from the side. So bad driving by that person. This final example is we're approaching a roundabout on a 60-mile-an-hour road, slowing down for the roundabout to turn right, and then we're going to go ahead at the second roundabout. And we're not going slow, we're doing a good speed at that point. And I'm just talking to my student about slowing down for the lower gears, checking what's happening on the roundabout. So nothing unusual, we're just talking for the roundabout. And the car behind us, it did approach us a bit quick at one point, so I kept my eye on it at the same time. And it never ceases me to surprise what some drivers will do behind you behind a learning car. It's like they've got to do something stupid. So as we come off here, we're going to go ahead at the next roundabout, which is straight after you come off. So we're planning to come off, everything's going fine, speed limits come down to 40 miles an hour at this point, and we're going to go ahead at a roundabout. Now on this next stretch around on this road, they put islands in the middle to stop people overtaking, you know, and there's even got this little traffic counting thing. So as we go around this bit here, the car decides to overtake us on the wrong side of the road. Bit silly really, you know, they've seen opportunity, nothing coming. You know, not good driving by that person. So just be wary of silly things like this when you're on the roads, and expect drivers behind you to do some strange things. Take care everybody, safe driving.